touch my crown. They see the vision I've found.
Hey, I love she babe, picking up a penny with a press on it. Easy on holding you down, can't be any hard.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's J Shelby. So today I'm coming to you guys with another wig video. This wig is going to be sponsored by Divatress.com. So yeah, we're gonna get right into this. First things first, I'm just taking this wig out of the pack. The lace has not been cut off, nothing. Like, I have not even tried on the wig, so I wanted to do that on camera with y'all so that y'all can see firsthand what I go through with these wigs. Even if I have to go through anything, they might just be perfect, you know. So this wig is the Empress lace wig, and it's the feather and flare. It comes with a deep curved part, and it's in the color T1B613. So this is the wig right here. It's gorgeous, right? Yeah, I chose this wig because I never really did 613. Like, I did blonde before, but never 613. So I wanted to try it out to see what it was like. But oh, I like this part. So yeah, the deep curved parts, I know I'm gonna have to pluck this. One thing I hate about the curved parts or the wigs that just come with like a part is that like it's a little bulky around the part area. I hate that, but you know, I deal with it, so whatever. Yeah, for people that don't know how to pluck parts, it's fairly easy. Like, all you have to do is get a pair of tweezers and grip the hair right here and just start plucking away, child. Pluck the hair away until you feel as though it looks as natural as it could look for a synthetic wig, you know. I'm gonna cut this lace off before I actually put it on. Oh, and I didn't even mention it's a lace front. So yeah, it's a lace front. And for people that don't know how to cut lace, this is easy as well. All you have to do is cut along this line. Don't cut too close to the hairline. You don't want no mistakes. This is harder, trying to lift this up and be in front of the camera. The wig is cut. I'm also gonna put some concealer in this part to make it look a little bit more natural. I'm pretty sure y'all already know this, but put some foundation on your brush and just distribute that on your brush. Make sure it's fine. Make sure there's no chunks in there. But yeah, you're just gonna put this on the inside. I'm also gonna put that on the edge of the lace. If it get on the hair, you'll live. It'll be alright. And I also do this, y'all should already know this by now, I clip these two together just for extra security. Let's flip this bad boy on. Oh, child. Hold up. It did come with some baby hairs already, so I don't have to make no baby hairs. Well, that's amazeballs. My edges come really far out, like really far. These ain't my edges, but you know, these are my edges. So my edges come really far out on my face anyway. So I just blend the wig's baby hair with my edges and we got a party. I'm gonna use my all-time favorite, the freeze spray, and my raggedy toothbrush. cut that, and that can be my little swoop for the front. Because I always gotta hit a swoop, always. If you don't know nothing about me, you gotta know I gotta hit a swoop. Okay, so like I was telling y'all earlier, with the little curved parts, there are lumps, and I can feel a lump right here. So just take my hottest light on and just move that as much as I possibly can. And this does take heat, you guys. Yeah, that looks so much better. I need to add a little bit more foundation to this part, just a tad. I'm probably making a mess, but who cares? This part. Oh, child. Okay. I like this. I like the color on me, and I can have this behind my ear if I wanted to. You know what? Sometimes you gotta try things out to know what works for you. You feel me? So, that got to be did not work for me. So what I'm gonna do is go back in with I'm looking in this mirror right here. That's why I keep on bending my head down. The mirror is not eye level to me right now, but I forgot I had this little tiny mirror, so I've been looking into this mirror for nothing. But yeah, trial and error. So you gotta try things to know what works for you, you know. Oh, chill. So I'm gonna smooth that out, and to slick this down, I'm just using some Shine and Jam. Show this stuff work for it. You talking about some, my natural hair is 4C, right? You talking about slick down edges. I've never found any edge control that can do the job that does for me. I'm trying to tell you. That's to my liking now. And that highlight too, you see that? I really love this color, y'all. I'm in love with this. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. But for the hair, y'all, as y'all can see, this is gorgeous. Like, utterly gorgeous. Anything that I didn't tell you will be in the description box for this week. But child, I'm digging this bang. I'm digging the curls. And the length as well, because this is like an 18. I do believe, yeah. This is like an 18-inch. This color on me is gorgeous. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. And by the way, this wig was only $24.95. Okay, $24.95, $25. Like, you getting this for $25. And you also get 10% off when you're a new customer, and then you have 2 more coupons as well. All the coupons will be listed in my description box, so make sure you check those out when y'all go to the website and get this wig, okay? And when you get this wig, make sure you go on Instagram and you tag Divatress and you tag me, because I want to see you with the wig on, okay? But yeah, you guys, go to divatress.com. As you can see, I'm loving this wig. I should be somebody's sugar baby, okay? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'll be posting a lot this week, so yeah, just make sure you stay tuned and watch out for those videos, because I'll be bringing more hair to y'all and talking about more wigs. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.